Pry open the casing along to the arrow direction. Take down the little cover. After takedown, demonstrate the disassembling again. Take down the original casing red parts. Install them in the same place as the dashcam. Now we remove the original rain sensor plug. Use a pry tool to press the wire clip upwards and pull out the original car plug. Take out the plug-and-play cable from the box. Insert it into the original car slot we just emptied. Plug the original car wire to the plug-and-play cable slot. Now connect the dashcam host wire to the plug-and-play cable's final end. Push the dashcam along the arrow direction. Sort out and hide the wire in the gap. Then insert the small cover back. And firm it completely. Adjust the rear view mirror. The front dashcam was installed. Start the car. The blue light on means the dashcam working good.